Hey guys, Praveen here, and today we are going to take a look at Stitch by Google. Stitch, in their words, is a AI-powered tool to help application builders generate high-quality user interfaces for mobile and web apps and export them to Figma or Code. But I'm not sure why they're creating something like Stitch because they can create some things like Lovable or Bolt or things like that creates an actual mobile app or web page, but this just creates designs. um, I don't think I've ever seen a product like this because with the new AI rush, because everyone is concentrating on the final product. Most people are skipping Figma now, but this generates in Figma. But this is probably like stepping stone for them to create actual web apps. But yeah, I'm not sure why they are doing this. Design an internal company tool that collects feedback from employee on a monthly basis. So this is the design that it has come up with. The design looks cool. All the design, I saw some of them. Everything looks good. But yeah, it still looks good. It's still like Claude 3.5 level of good. It's not the best of the best. So yeah, you can edit them apparently. You can change the corner radius. That's nice. You can change the font. Okay, so it's just basic like Shadchan theming. It's okay, but yeah, I'm not sure about their end goal here. But if this is like a visual alternative, I'll probably use it more. But yeah, the thing is, I'm not sure about the product fit. But yeah, it looks good. They have a prompt guide. I don't want to read the prompt guides. Yeah, it looks good. It generates like good UI, not as good as Claude 4 that just released. That is like the best, but this generates like good UI. I'll probably use this to brainstorm something that I'm designing in Figma. I'm just copy pasted directly in Figma, and I tried some of the copy pasting. It's not like uh, so it's fully auto layered, but there is some text or a little wonky. So yeah, let's actually try one of the prompts here. So it's in standard mode, so I can probably edit the themes. Okay, so I'm guessing this Stitch is like a first step to create something like Lovable, but they already again have the Firebase Studio for that. So I'm not sure 100% what they're doing with this product, but yeah, it looks good. Sidebar looks good. The cards looks good. It's most of the thing things like this have like lots of shadows, lots of unneeded colors, but this is uh, very subtle and very usable. I'm thinking. Let's go with the dark theme and a green color, maybe yellow color, maybe, and a full rounded quantities. Let's see how that works. So it's generating the theme again. I was thinking it's just like a Shadchan theming change, like just change the colors everywhere with like CSS variables, but it's apparently generating it again. Okay, okay, yeah, that looks good. All the changes I've told has been done. Oh, you can edit it, update it however you want. Okay, yeah, this is good, but it's not the level of Claude 4, unfortunately. But this button is like I have never seen this button in any of this AI builders, but yeah, there's a copy to Figma button that's very new, and I don't know why they're doing that. Everyone is saying Figma is going to die, but I don't know why Google is doing copy to Figma yet. But yeah, that's it for this video. This looks good. It's not as good as some other things like Lovable Bolt. I am in love with Cursor, Cloud 4 in Cursor, so that's what I'll be using. But yeah, this is good, but not as good as V0 or other things like that. If I want to use this copy to Figma, but I'll probably create something in Figma and use HTML design to copy from here, copy from V0 and put it in Figma. So yeah, V0 and HTML2 design is better than this right now, but this, and my whole thought is this will be killed by Google in a while, so I'm not gonna use this, and let's see where they goes. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.